You seriously need to look at what Pepe Palm Beach is doing because this project is completely flipping the script on meme coins. They're literally blending internet culture with a high-end and luxury lifestyle backed by their amazing slogan, "Make all Pepes affluent." The official pre-sale just launched a few days ago, so let's jump straight into the website and see why the hype is already so crazy. Now, let's look at exactly how this project is moving completely away from low-effort, generic meme coins and upgrading the entire narrative into a luxury lifestyle ecosystem. While PPB is building its core liquidity on Ethereum, they have a massive multi-chain expansion plan for ecosystems like Solana, BNB, and Base where the real volume flows. By blending real-world elite events with decentralized finance, they are positioning themselves exactly where the smart money lives. So as you can see, guys, instead of chasing cheap market hype, this token is all about securing early allocation in a high-end and exclusive ecosystem. When it comes to tokenomics, PPB features a fixed total supply of 3 billion tokens with 40% that are allocated directly to the presale, and any unsold presale tokens will be permanently burned to increase scarcity. They've also locked 30% into a permanent liquidity pool to guarantee stable and low slippage trading, while another 15% is dedicated to marketing and high-tier central exchange listings. On top of that, 10% is reserved for staking rewards and luxury community giveaways, while the team's small 5% allocation is strictly locked with a 6-month cliff and a gradual vesting release to prevent any sudden market dumps. This entire distribution model is built to prioritize community wealth, to create a strong price floor, and to keep the market completely stable as the project scales globally. What's also cool is that the project's roadmap is broken down into 4 massive phases that are designed to scale the ecosystem globally. They're kicking off in Chapter 1 with a live pre-sale on Ethereum, active shield to earn community raids, and an instant 10% ETH referral program to reward active supporters. As they progress into Chapter 2 and 3, the project is launching a 100k viral marketing fund alongside luxury utility activations, including exclusive VIP trips to the Monaco and Miami Formula 1 for community holders. Finally, the ultimate phase wraps up with an aggressive multi-chain expansion to Solana and Base, a Tier 1 central exchange listing blitz to secure top 3 exchange placements, and the launch of a penthouse DAO so the community can directly vote on high-end ecosystem assets. On top of that, they're introducing a luxury referral program where you can instantly earn between 5 and 10% commission paid directly in Ethereum, allowing you to build liquid capital before the token even hits exchanges. The utility doesn't stop there, as holders can also look forward to high-yield staking options alongside exclusive retail partnerships for high-end luxury discounts. They've already proven their real-world impact with a VIP activation at the National Polo Center, and they are expanding that global event circuit to massive hubs like London, Dubai, and Singapore. And to ensure absolute safety, the smart contracts are fully audited by top-tier firms, and they're actively aiming to secure at least 2 major central exchange listings, with one massive announcement dropping before the pre-sale even wraps up. And guys, you don't just have to take my word for how massive this project's momentum is. Pepe Palm Beach has already been catching huge attention across the crypto space, getting featured on major global platforms like Binance Square, CoinMarketCap, Tech Bullion, and USA Wire, among other major news. When you see this level of global press coverage and heavy marketing backing a project so early on, you know the industry is paying serious attention. Honestly, guys, Pepe Palm Beach is completely shifting what it means to be a meme coin by mixing massive crypto utility with a high-end luxury lifestyle. The pre-sale price increases with each stage, so head over to their website to secure your early allocation and start stacking those instant referral commissions. As always, guys, all the official links are in the description below, so smash that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next video.